The RAV4 used to be small, fun, and great off-road before they turned it into a stupid grocery getter. My name is Paul Shpakov, and in this video series, I'll be fixing up my 97 RAV4 to make it as awesome as possible. Today I will be upgrading the RAV4 to have removable wheels. When I bought the car, it came with these nice locking lug nuts, but it did not come with a key. Using Gorilla Tape to protect the finish on the wheel, then I'm going to clean the surface of the locking lug nut with an angle grinder. And next I'm using a long coupler nut and welding it onto the locking lug nut so that way I can unscrew it. I'm welding both sides to make sure it's on there really well. And then I can simply unscrew the lug nut. Clean up the rim and install the new lug nut. Now I just need to do the other wheels and the spare and test it out. I'm using an impact wrench to remove the wheel, and notice I am not using an impact wrench to install the lug nuts. Lower the car and torque. Now I can get the wheels off so I can do cool things like change a flat tire on the road or work on the brakes or the suspension. It's great.